Tuesday, April 11th, 10:52 p.m. Another fire alarm. We're just sitting down to dinner and relaxing, and bing, bang, boom, they pull the fire alarm. Trying to, anyways. You know. Now this is going to go on for 15 minutes. It's interfered with our dinner. It's interfered with our relaxation time. And, there really ought to be done something about these criminals. They need cameras in the hallways, and in the stairwells. And the fire department and police and TCHC management need to stop colluding and coddling these criminals and start kicking them out and laying some charges.